Dear students, today again we are continuing with the sums of exercise 7.1 of the lesson assignment problem and sequencing. Question number 4. Four new machines M1, M2, M3 and M4 are to be installed in a machine shop. There are 5 vacant places A, B, C, D and E available. Because of limited space, machine M2 cannot be placed at C and M3 cannot be placed at A. The cost matrix is given below. This matrix is the cost matrix and we have to find the optimal assignment schedule. Here note that there are 5 empty places and we have 4 machines. So this is called an unbalanced problem. So that is order should be 5 only. Here only 4 machines to be installed in 5 places. So it is not possible. This is a special case of assignment problem. Also there is some places there is no cost given. So it is called a restricted assignment problem. Now to convert this into, this is an unbalanced, we have already seen that to convert it into a balanced problem we have to introduce a dummy machine M5 with a zero cost. Also M2 cannot be placed at C and M3 cannot be placed at C because of the there is no enough space, limited space only. So these two machines cannot be placed in these two spaces. So we have to assign a very high cost infinity in the corresponding element. So the new matrix obtained is these A, B, C, D, E are the places and M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 are the machines. See the fifth machine, it's a dummy machine with a zero cost, and the where M2 and M3 was not able to fit in these places, so we have to assign the infinite cost. Okay, now we have to follow the steps. First we will subtract the smallest element of each row from the remaining from every element of that respective row. So first one, there is 4 is the minimum element, so we have to subtract 4 from all remaining all elements of that row. So 4 minus 4 0, 6 minus 4 2 and 10 minus 4 6, 5 minus 4 1, 6 minus 4 2. Similarly the second row has the minimum element 4. So we will subtract 4 from all the elements, and you can notice that there is no change written here in the place of infinity because infinity is such a big number. So there is not much change occurred in when we subtract 4 from the infinity. It is just like if we remove one drop of water from the ocean, there is no change. It is just similar situation. So we have to write in infinity as it is. And M3 also there is no change in infinity, remaining elements will be subtracted. So we get this matrix, and the last row there is 0, so there is no change. Next step is to subtract the smallest element from each column. And we can notice that here each column has the smallest element 0, so there is no change in the matrix obtained in the previous step. Now we assign through zeros along columns, rows and columns. First we assign through rows. So in the first row there is exactly single 0, so we can make the assignment and then we cross out the 0 in that respective column. And second row has more than 1 0 in this case, so we cannot make the assignment. Third row has exactly single 0 and we made the assignment and crossed out the zeros in the column. And then fourth row also has exactly single 0, so we assigned and crossed out the remaining 0 in the respective column. And fourth row we cannot, fourth row it's already 3 zeros are crossed out, but still there are 2 0, more than 1 0, so we cannot make the assignment now. Now we go to the column. So first column there is no more 0, second column there are 2 zeros, so we cannot make the assignment. Third column we have single 0, so we can make the assignment. At the same time we can cross out the 0 in that respective row. And then we go to the next column, D and E, there are no more zeros. Now we have to do the same procedure again back to the rows. Now we have only a single zero left for the assignment, that is second row, second column, this zero. So we made, that is only single zero in this row, so we can make the assignment. So we finished the assignment and crossing out zeros, and you can notice that only single zero in each row and each column. So we say that we got the optimal solution. And we can write machine M1 will be placed at A, and machine M2 will be placed at B, M3 will be placed at E, M4 will be placed at D, and M5 will be placed at C. So the corresponding minimum cost after making this assignment, the minimum cost is the cost we have to select the corresponding cost from the given table. So it is 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to rupees 12. So this is the minimum cost. Now the remaining sums are solved in the next video. Thank you.